Hi guys, Celai here, back with another beauty series video. So today we're going to be making an apple cider and aloe vera toner. Alright, so our main ingredient is, well, the apple cider vinegar. This is what it looks like. And some of the benefits for apple cider vinegar is that it has alpha hydroxy acid, which helps exfoliate skin and improve skin textures. And it helps balance your pH levels. Okay, and we're also going to be using our aloe vera gel, of course, because we've always been using it for our base, just in general, because it's super moisturizing for your clear skin. And, I just like it in general. Who doesn't like aloe vera? Next, we're going to be using 1 drop of tea tree oil. If you guys have any acne, you know that tea tree oil is the best essential oil for your skin. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, but we got to shake it up first. Okay, is that good? Okay. Okay, I think that's good, right? Okay. I think I used the wrong hand for this, bro. I'm scared, mommy. No, I gotta use my other hand. Okay. Okay. Well, that didn't work out right, but it's okay. Okay. Okay, now, next we're going to be filling the rest up with the aloe vera juice. Now we're just going to add our 1 drop of our tea tree oil. Oh, crap. Well, that wasn't 1 drop anyway. Okay. Okay, now it's all done. Okay. Sorry, it came out too fast.
Oh, you didn't mean to say crap?
No, I didn't mean to,
Say crap?
No, I didn't mean to...
Say crap?
Mom, that's not a bad word.
It is.
That is not a bad word. You know I say that all the time.
No, you don't.
Mom, it's not a bad word.
Whatever.
All right, so this is what it looks like. I made sure that I shook it up a little bit more. And now I'm going to be using my cotton ball and start using it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This is our final product. And all right guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of my toner and if you've ever used anything using apple cider vinegar before. All right guys, bye.